How to remove Insta account from another device. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Vipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can remove your Instagram account from other device. Now the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. In order to remove your Insta account, first open up your Instagram application. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen, and then tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of your screen. Once you do so, you'll get this list of options. You want to head into settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, you'll find the option account center. You want to tap on it and enter it. Here you'll get various options. You can see the option password and security. You want to tap on it. Under it, you'll get this option, and you can see the way you are logged in under security checks. So we tap on it, and here tap your account there. Choose your account that you wish to log out from other device, and you'll be able to see all the device that you are logged in on. If you want to simply log in from a particular device, tap on that particular device and tap on log out, and you'll get logged out once you tap and confirm logout. If you wish to log out from all other devices, then simply tap on select devices to log out, and then tap on select all option, and then tap on log out, and you'll get logged out from other devices, all other devices. So this way you can remove Insta account from another device. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.